If you're struggling with your Google business profile, you're not alone. Every day, business owners ask the same questions, and today, I'm breaking down the answers to the issues that matter most. Let's start with the big one: suspended listings. If your profile suddenly went offline, it's usually because Google detected inconsistent info, an address issue, or missing verification docs. The fix? Clean up your citations, upload proof of your business location, and submit a reinstatement request the right way with supporting documents Google actually accepts. Next up, claiming an address from a previous business. If you bought a location and the old business still shows up, you need to request ownership, submit proof of occupancy, and update every directory to match. Proof of occupancy is generally showing your lease with the new business name and matching address along with your name. You may also be asked to video verify using Google's policy requirements. Google hates conflicting data, so clean it up and you'll get control over your new address. Stojan asks, can I change an address of an existing business without impacting my reviews or profile? The answer is actually simpler than our last question and example, because in this case, you already own the listing. Before changing your address on your Google business profile, you want to ensure that it has been updated on all of your social profiles and online directories as well as your address. Once that has been completed, you can update your Google business profile. You want to be sure that you do it while on site, as new policies require you to be logged into your profile to complete the video verification process. This includes taking a video of your new location exterior, with permanent signage as well as the cross streets, and your new location's interior, and it must show employee-only areas. Now, the spicy one: fake one-star reviews. Yes, you can report them. No, Google doesn't always remove them. But here's the trick: flag it correctly, document the violation, and follow up through the business support channel. Fake reviews violate policy, you just have to show Google why. Also, the FTC will actually fine violators hefty fees when caught, so you can be sure that defamation is highly regulated. So while Google may not remove them all, justice is given in situations like this. That being said, if it was actually a customer who did not have a favorable interaction with your business, that is a legitimate review, so it stays. It's best to reply to all reviews, positive or negative, quickly within 48 hours, as this dramatically increases your ranking in Google search. And what about your new 5-star reviews disappearing? If Google thinks a review looks suspicious, comes from a new account, or triggers their spam filters, it gets filtered out automatically. It's frustrating, but it's fixable. Keep your NAPIN's phone number info consistent, avoid sending review links in bulk, and spread out your review requests. Also, keep in mind that if a customer creates a review, even a local guide, and uses images that you have or plan to use on your social media or website later, even before and after photos, Google may flag that as a fake review even when it is real. You can always ask the review to rewrite the review and include different images or no images, and Google may leave that review up in the search engine results. A question I get all the time: how do I rank higher fast? Here's the truth. You need 3 things: relevance, proximity, and authority. That means optimized categories, consistent posting, local citations, keyword-rich services, photos added weekly, and strong review velocity. Do that and your map ranking climbs. And if your posts aren't publishing, Google is flagging a policy violation, your category doesn't support certain post types, or your account has been temporarily restricted. A common violation policy is posting the same content over and over again. This goes against their spamming policy. Another simple policy violation to fix is not placing your phone number or website within the image or video you are posting. No emojis. The goal is to post educational and information insights that showcase you as an industry expert. Industry knowledge they can't find anywhere else. Clean it up and they'll start posting again. I'm John with www.missourimarketboss.com, and if you want more visibility, more leads, and higher rankings across your entire service area, I've got you. Hit follow, drop your question below, and I'll tackle it in the next video. Your customers are searching. Let's make sure they find you first.